everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spin to win wheel version 2. So let's get right into the video. So this is the second version, so that means it's going to be improved. So what we have here is a 1-layer piece of cardboard with the arrow right here, and then here is just hot glue to this cardboard that's going to make it stand properly. Right here on the back is going to be, this stick is a roller because last time the cardboard bent, and here's the footage of it. We don't know what the, okay, it just fell down. Oh wait, the cardboard bent. Wait. Okay, so there we go. Now it's fixed. The cardboard just bended. So yeah. So this time it's gonna be a roller. Here's how it spins properly. So here is a nut right here, like right there, and then you put the roller here, and then you just screw it in until you can move it freely, but not too freely because it'll just spin out of control. So you hot glue it to this nut, so that way it will not tighten up if you spin it. Right here on the base, we have a cardboard with a rubber band. That's when you open it, you have to put some weighted objects. So I put some coin rolls, as you can see, so it'll properly be weighted so the whole thing will not fall. Last time I used a dumbbell, it was not that good, but it did the job. So right here, you hot glue the arrow, like right there, to here, and then you just use your hot glue gun and just hot glue everything together, and then yeah. So back to this side. Yeah, so as you can see, it spins way more. Oh yeah, there aren't no rungs, so that way this time it can move better, I guess, because now it just spins way freely. And the highest this time is $100, and the lowest is nothing, because $20 was not that much for a spinning wheel. So the things that you need to make this are cardboard, hot glue, nails, nuts, a roller, a wooden roller, a piece of thin cardboard that's also strong, and yeah, and a rubber band. Oh yeah. And you just need some weighted objects. So let's see a gameplay of this spin to win wheel. Okay, so here we are in the gameplay. So let's say I'm gonna pay $1 first to see how much things you can get. So here's $1, and I'm gonna pay it right here, I guess. So here's, oh yeah, it's gonna cost like $1 for this spinning wheel. So here we go. And we got $100. So here it is. $100. Oh yeah, that's a really good spin, I guess. I'm gonna have to review the footage to see that lucky spin, because that was my first try. I mean, yeah. So here's $100. Yeah, that's gonna be right here. let's say I'm going to pay $5 just in case I get 100 again. So here's 5. I'm just going to put it right here, I guess. So here you go, 5 spins. That's $20. Oh yeah. Okay, that's the first spin. For my dirt spin. Oh wait, yeah, that's the second spin. So yeah, speed cube. So I'm gonna choose the Scoob. So yeah, for my fourth spin, for my dirt spin, I got a candy. I'm gonna get a bag of M&Ms. And for my fourth spin, I got a mini basketball worth $1. Oh yeah, all this is not sponsored, by the way, so yeah. And for last spin, here you go, pen. Here you go. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, then smash that like button. And all this is what you get from $6. So yeah, and I'll see you next time.